everyone. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all well. So now today we are going to start a new chapter. But before that, we just discuss about some chapters which all have been done. So in history there are three chapters we have done. Chapter number 1, then chapter number 2. Just a minute. Come to the index. Okay. So, part 1, History. In History, chapter number 1, Rise of British Rule in India. We have done this chapter. Next, second chapter, First World War and Russian Revolution. We have done. Then, chapter number 7, Post Independence India. Complete. So, in History part, we have done three chapters. Then, in Unit 2 or Part 2, Civics. So, in Civics, chapter number 8, Framing of Constitution and its Features, we have done. Then chapter number 9, Fundamental Rights, Fundamental Duties, and Directive Principle of State Policy, done. Chapter number 10, Organs of Government, also done. And chapter number 12, Indian Democracy. So in a civics part, there are 4 chapters we have completed. And then part 3, Geography. So in Geography we done chapter number 14, Location, Geological Structure and Physiography. Or chapter number 17, Natural Vegetation, complete. And chapter 20, Disaster Management, we have done. But now we start which chapter? Which chapter will start? So from Geography part. And chapter number 18, I want to start. But I don't start that chapter. And reason is that the chapter number 19, India, Human Lifestyle. Chapter number 19, India, Human Lifestyle. This chapter is not included in your examination, but it is a part of your project. अभी हम स्कूल में मिल नहीं रहे, सो मैं आपको प्रोजेक्ट नहीं दे सकती, बट वी जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस चैप्टर, जस्ट रीड and importance underline doing, not for the exam purpose but only for the general purpose, general knowledge purpose. We read this chapter only. Okay, and then we'll start the chapter number 18. So now we are going to start chapter 19, Human Lifestyle. See students, again I told you this chapter is maybe not part of examination. I'm not sure about that, but maybe, because this chapter is a part of project. But now, in these situations, what will decision decide taken? I don't know. So, whenever your exam will come in your course of social science, if chapter 19 included, then but obviously exam में आएगा, otherwise नहीं. So at the time of examination, I'll tell you कि ये चैप्टर आने वाला है या नहीं. But 99% नहीं आएगा, 1% chances है. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Come to the page number 143. So here, chapter 19, India Human Life. See students, I tell you just overview of this chapter and you just read this chapter by yourself. Okay? So in this chapter, we learned about the four corner sites of India's food, dressing, dwellings, languages, dialects, festival, etc. Because in our country is situated on a southern side of Asia and it has been gifted by three seasons, right? Cool season, warm season and rainy. And also in India there are many diversity. That's why we can say that diversity in unity in diversity, right? So, diversities are seen in food or dressing, then languages, then festivals, etc. So, our country is multicolor nation. So, uh, there are part, four zone according to lifestyle: Western India, Northern India, Southern India, and Eastern India. Now, we shall learn about the lifestyle in respective region. One by one, Western, North, South, and East. See students, again I tell you, I just give you an overview of this chapter and whole chapter you can read by yourself. So, uh, major state of Western India: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa. Diu, Daman, Dadra, Nagar Haveli. Okay. Then which type of foods available in Western India? So, Marwadi Kachori, Dal Bati, Roti Bhakri, Khichdi, Kadhi, Khaman, Gathia. These all are the famous food of Western India. Then dresses. So Rajasthani is a desert area and dry region. So there less diversity in vegetation. So men put on dhoti and angarko, colorful headgear. I think you all know the meaning of headgear. And women wear petticoat having large circumference, blouse and body. Mostly we seen in movies like Rajasthani types movies. Then Gujarati men put on dhoti, kurta, white cap, and women put a sari. So, see, in Western India, one zone, फिर भी उसमें कितने सारी डिफ्रेंसिएशन है फूड ड्रेस में ड्वेलिंग्स में राइट सो नेक्स्ट लैंग्वेज सो राजस्थानी स्पीक हिंदी और मारवाड़ी गुजराती main language of people in Gujarat. Kutchi spoke in Kutch. Hindi is main language in Madhya Pradesh. Marathi and Konkan language in Maharashtra. So, regional wise, language are also different. Then, festivals and celebration. So, many of festivals and celebrations celebrate in Western India. Like, Indians celebrates many festivals and holidays. So Rajasthan has a peculiar type of folk song and folk dance. Holi, Gangaur, celebrated in great pomp. Then Ghumar, Kutchi Godi, Kalbelia are very famous folk dance of Rajasthan. Then Gujarat, world famous state for Ras Garba. And everyone love to Ras Garba. Maharashtra celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Then Lavani dance is also very famous in Maharashtra. Then Shivratri or Dashera, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Moharram, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Pateti, Chetichand, etc. festivals are celebrated in Western India. Then fair. So Pushkar fair in Rajasthan and Siddhpur in Gujarat are known for their camel trade on Kartik Purnima. Then other famous fair in Gujarat are Tarnetar Fair, Bhavnath Fair, Dang Darbar Fair, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh and Nasik in Maharashtra are also famous for the Earth Kumbha Fair and Goa for carnivals. So students, here we see food, dress, dwellings, language, festivals and fairs of Western India. And now we are moving on next part of India, that is north part. But before that, you just go through or give a plain reading to the Western India information. Just food, dress, dwellings, language, main words. Just underline, and then we'll moving on next topic. So you have just 3 minutes for underline. I guide you which word is for underline, but still, if you know, then you can do by yourself. Okay, so in food, underline Marwadi kachori, rotli bhakri, dal rice, khichdi kadhi, khaman and gatia. See, I tell you, take only the name of food, but you just not underline the food. Food with state. Okay, you should underline the food and also but a respective state. Then dress. So in Rajasthan, dhoti, angarku and colorful headgear, petticoat and large circumference blouse and odhani. Then in third para, Gujarat, dhoti kurta, white cap or woman sari petticoat blouse. Then Maharashtra, dhoti and pehran, sari in typical Maharashtrian style. Then dwellings. So, in Rajasthan, there is less rainfall. So that's why the most of the houses are flat top. And rural people live in houses made of grass and mud. Underline. And in Gujarat, modern types of building are made from brick and cement. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Goa also will let down outhouse with many modern amenities. Please underline. Then forest dweller living in forest or mountainous area, roof in scattered huts like roof of building in a concave which received a heavy rain as slant. लाइक ऐसी बिल्डिंग होती है जिनका रूफ ना स्लांट होता है, मीन्स स्लाइड फॉर्म में होता है, तो क्योंकि रेनफॉल अगर हो तो वो ऐसे, अगर स्लैंटिंग लाइन कैसे ऐसे रूफ हो तो वो रेनफॉल है वो डायरेक्टली नीचे हो जाए. देन लैंग्वेज मारवाड़ी, गुजराती, कच्छी, मराठी, कोंकणी. ओके, हो गई अंडरलाइन. गुड. नाउ फेस्टिवल एंड सेलिब्रेशंस. सो होली, गणगौर, लावनी डांस, कच्ची घोड़ी, रास गरबा and all, Diwali, Navratri, Shivratri, Dashera, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. Eid, Muharram, all. Just underline the main words because you should make a sentence in examination. So just learn the important words. then Fair, Pushkar, Siddhapur, Tarnetar, Bhavnath, and Kumbh Ardhkumbh. Okay, clear? Good. So now we have done Western India information, food, dress, dwellings, language, festival, celebration, and friends. And also underline the important words and points. So now you have 1 minute if you want to read, and after 1 minute, we'll start the next topic for sorry, huh, Northern India. So you have just 1 minute. Please utilize it, and then we'll start the next topic. Okay, underline. सॉरी अंडरलाइन तो हो गई रीड कर लिया okay good so now we'll start the northern India so in northern India includes Jammu Kashmir Ladakh Punjab Haryana Himachal Pradesh UP उत्तराखंड दिल्ली एक्सेट्रा मीन्स ऊपर की साइड जो स्टेट्स है मैप में वो सब राइट देन हाँ important word there is Punjab is a land of 5 rivers and due to its natural beauty Jammu Kashmir is considered to be heaven of the earth. Please underline this. Punjab is a land of 5 rivers and due to its natural beauty Jammu Kashmir is considered to be heaven of the earth. Then Uttarakhand is also known as Devbhoomi and Delhi is the national capital of India. So here's the special specifications or main words for the special state, different state, जिनको हम वो नाम से जाने जाते हैं. So next, food of northern part, north part. So wheat is staple food in Punjab and Haryana. Tandoori roti, paneer-based mixed vegetable, rice, meat and fish, dal and rice in उत्तर प्रदेश. सी स्टूडेंट्स ये टॉपिक में अब साथ ही अंडरलाइन करते जाओ बिकॉज ये चैप्टर को हमें 5-6 लेक्चर नहीं लगाना है जस्ट 2 लेक्चर्स में ये हमें कंप्लीट करना है बिकॉज मैंने बोला जैसे ये उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है एग्ज़ाम के लिए और आई थिंक ये एग्ज़ाम में आएगा भी नहीं बट आई एम नॉट श्योर सो वी जस्ट learn this chapter important points only. Next, dressing. So Punjabis, Haryanvis put known as Punjabi dress. Women put salwar kameez. Men loose shirt and salwar. Then dress in Himachal and Uttarakhand is similar. That of Jammu Kashmir. Some people wear embroidery jacket over the loose shirt also. And ladies wear sari, petticoat and blouse. Please students underline करो. चलो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में जो इम्पोर्टेंट्स था लाइक पंजाब इज द लैंड ऑफ 5 रिवर्स हेवन ऑफ द अर्थ देवभूमि आप अंडरलाइन कर लो फिर फूड में अंडरलाइन कर लो फिर ड्रेसिंग में अंडरलाइन कर लो देन विल स्टार्ट द ड्वेलिंग्स ऑफ नॉर्थर्न पार्ट. हो गई अंडरलाइन ओके नेक्स्ट dwelling. So Punjab and Haryana gets less rainfall. So the buildings there have a flat rooftop. Whereas in urban people live in buildings made of bricks and cement. Wood is used more in construction of houses. Then in Himachal and Uttarakhand, live in a two-storied buildings. Animals are kept in ground floor, and their heat keeps the wooden first floor warmer. And roofs are sloppy due to snowfall. Then language: Punjabi, Haryani, Hindi, Urdu, Kashmiri, Kina underline, Pahadi. Okay, good. Ah, one missing Dongri. Good. Now festivals and celebrations. So Baisakhi and Lahari, main festival in Punjab. Bhangra is a famous folk dance of Punjab. Eid and Muharram celebrated in Jammu and Kashmir. Then Dashera, Holi, Kathak is a folk dance style of Uttar Pradesh. Janmashtami, Eid, Muharram, Christmas, etc. are most celebrated festivals. And fair. So Kulu's Dashera fair is well known in Punjab. Martyrs fair is held. Then Kumbh Mela and Megh Mela are famous for Prayagraj, like Allahabad. Allahabad is the second name of Prayagraj. Then Uttarakhand, Kumbh and Ardh Kumbh fair. Please underline that festivals and fair, and also language. So, clear students? Here we done the India. So first basic information about the different state which include in northern part, then food, dressing, dwellings, language, festival and celebration, and fair. So here we done this topic, and the next topic is southern India. But in today's lecture we are not start this topic. Now we just go through from the first. So in first two paragraph gives a basic information about the India, diversity and also unity. And then Western India's food, dress, dwellings. Dwellings means na house or etc. रहने की जगह residential part. Then language, festivals and celebrations and fairs. Same as for the Northern India. Food, dressing, dwelling, language, festival and fair. But in northern part, in first paragraph gives some special information about the specific state, like five rivers land for the Punjab, heaven of the earth, consider Jammu Kashmir, then Uttarakhand known as Devbhumi. So in northern part this one is little bit different. Okay, so in today's homework, uh, please note down, write a short note on food, dressing, dwelling, language, festival and fair of East, Western and North India. See, you don't write in paragraph. You just you should write in wordings or points. Like a dress, so first Rajasthan and dress, then Gujarat and dress, complete. Or food of Western India, so dal bati, marwadi in Rajasthan. You should write state wise or item wise, whatever you like. But don't write in paragraph. If you write in paragraph, then okay, it's allowable. बट ये थोड़ा वर्क आपका बढ़ जाएगा, तो बेटर है कि आप पॉइंट्स वाइज लिखो. सो राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन वेस्टर्न इंडिया एंड नॉर्थर्न इंडिया. ओके, and also homework from the chapter number 20. So write what to do and what not to do at the time of earthquake. What to do and what not to do at the time of earthquake, and also what is earthquake, and little bit information about the earthquake. See students, listen please. Again, I tell you the homework. Note down or just check it. Write a short note on Western India and North India. उसमें आपको फूड, ड्रेस, ज्वेलिंग सब लिखना है. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था राइट शॉर्ट नोट ऑन earthquake, like what to do and what not to do at the time of earthquake. Okay, clear? Good. So here we done today's lecture. I hope you all enjoy today's lecture, and please do your homework regularly. And again I tell you, chapter 19 श्योर नहीं है कि एग्ज़ाम में आने वाला है या नहीं, बट इट्स अ जनरल नॉलेज एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस इन आवर जनरल knowledge. So that's why we doing a chapter number 19, बिकॉज हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे कौन सा फूड, कौन सा ड्रेस क्या है, कौन कौन सी डाइवर्सिटी है. सो दैट्स वाई वी डूइंग a chapter 19, but maybe this chapter covered in exam or not. Okay, but prepare for the all and also prepare for the worst. कि एग्ज़ाम में कैसा भी पेपर आए आपको इजी लगना चाहिए, ऐसी प्रिपरेशन करनी है. ओके, सो फाइनली वी डन टुडेज लेक्चर, एंड अगेन आई रिपीट today's homework. Write a short note on Western India and Northern India. Food, dwellings, dress, language, festival and celebrations, and fair. And also short note on northern part. I mean to say northern India. And from chapter number 20, you have to write in your homework what to do and what not to do at the time of earthquake, and little information about the earthquake, like the meaning and other information. Okay, all these done in your fair note. Okay, doing your fair note. So goodbye everyone.